Welcome to our tutorial on how to register with uniassist in order to create an application for the University of Koblenz-Landau. You wish to apply at the University of Koblenz-Landau? Great! If you have obtained your degree outside Germany, you should apply through uniassist. Here, we show you how you can register with uniassist in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Go to www.uni-assist.de. At the moment, you can see a notification about the website's services due to the coronavirus. You may or may not see this at the time you are applying, but if you do, just check the box and click OK. Once you arrive at the website, you can switch the language settings to English. Here we see the same notification again in English. Click on My Assist in the top right corner, then select Sign In, and click Create New Account. Step 2. Enter a valid email address. Be aware we will contact you via the email address you enter here, so make sure that you use an address you check regularly. Re-enter the address. Define a password and re-enter it. Then, read the terms and conditions, and check the box to confirm that you have read and understood them. When you are ready, you can click Create New Account. Step 3. An email will be sent to your email address, which includes a verification link. To finalize your registration, click the link in the email. Perfect! You are now ready to log in to the My Assist application portal. Thank you for your attention. Learn how to create an application in My Assist for one of our degree programs in our next video, How to Create an Application in uniassist.